In today's video, you can join Jay and I as we explore Thailand's #1 national park, the Phi Phi Islands.
Good intro, Sean.
Thank you.
It's like you've never done it before.
Hi there guys, Sean here from 5 Star Marine with Jay!
Hello, I'm Jay.
And we're at the...
Map, Sean. It's a map.
Yes. Whenever we're at the map, we're here to give you an overview of one of the tours that you can go on while you're here in Phuket. And today, Jay, we're gonna explore the #3 beach in the world, the #1 national park in all of Thailand, and your favorite island. So, what is it? Where are we going? What are we doing?
Canvey Island in Essex. No?
5 Star Marine Phuket.
Oh, I was working for Essex County Council.
Yeah, you know.
Okay. Oh, 5 Star. Phi Phi, Sean.
Yes,
paid
actors are not so good.
Phi Phi. This is Phi Phi. You're in the way. That's Phi Phi. Look, it's there. It's beautiful. I love Phi Phi.
All right,
6 islands, Phi Phi.
So we are for a private tour here to Phi Phi. As Jay says, Phi Phi is 6 islands in total. All islands are part of one national park, which is the Phi Phi National Park, which is the #1 national park in all of Thailand.
Really?
Yes,
are you serious with that, or is that just for the video?
No, that's serious.
Really?
And in terms of our tour, we were #3 in Thailand. This was our #3 rated tour in all of Thailand.
Well, it was
last
voted
year.
best of the best. It was in the top 10 as one of the top 10 best of the best things to do in Thailand. Our Phi Phi tour was on it.
So we're going to talk about it, what to expect, and how to make it the best day possible on the water.
Yes.
So when it comes to doing a tour with us, everything is about customization and avoiding the crowds.
Yes.
So let me give you a few ideas about how we do the avoiding the crowd piece, because I think it's a very important thing, because Phi Phi is being the #3 beach in the world and the #1 national park in all of Thailand. It's busy.
It's very busy.
And so if you want to be able to avoid the crowds, there's a couple of ways to do it. Firstly, you can do an early departure.
What?
So one of our recommended departures is a 6:30 departure time from the pier.
That's early.
One of our recommended departure times is 6:30 a.m. from your hotel, which will get you to the pier around 7 a.m. Then we can head on out to Phi Phi.
Hold on. That's early.
You're right out of breath now.
I did a little bit.
Yeah. That will get us out in front of all of the group tours. Now, this is the timing that we know about group tours. Most group tours are going to be leaving the pier somewhere between 8 and 9:30 in the morning.
Yes.
So we don't want to be leaving the pier during that time, because you can imagine between 8 and 9:30 in the morning, all these boats are going to go. So what we want to be doing is, option 1 is we want to be early, so we want to be coming out before them.
Yes.
So Jay likes to come out early.
Oh, you like that little joke, didn't you?
I had it planned and everything.
Yeah, good one.
So by coming out early, you can be first out here, or one of the first boats out here. That way you can get to Maya Bay and Pillay Lagoon.
Maya Bay.
The highlights of Phi Phi, you can get there early and before everybody else.
Okay.
The second way.
Yes.
Okay, so we said between 8 and 9:30, all these boats are going to go. The best part about group tours is they follow predictable routes. They have a very set plan about where they're going to go.
That's the word I would use.
Yeah, we don't use itineraries.
Not on not on private tours. Yes. I got confused then.
So for a group tour, they're going to come out, they're going to do Maya Bay, they're going to do Pillay Lagoon, they're going to see a monkey, they're going to snorkel.
Viking Cave.
They're going to have lunch.
Bamboo Island.
Have lunch, then they're going to go back to Kai, then back to the pier, and they're done. They're going to
Which, don't get me wrong, is a very nice thing to do.
They're going to run a set route, and they're going to have a set amount of fuel.
Yes.
So they don't change it because they won't have enough fuel on the boat.
And we know where they go and at what times. That's right.
If we assume that all these boats have come out here, they left the pier at 9:30, they got here about 10:30, they've done Maya Bay.
Maya Bay.
If we pick you up from 9:30 while all these boats are going,
I'm not doing that a bit again.
Yeah.
We've done that a minute.
Then you come to the pier, then by the time we come out, we're coming out behind them.
It's always good to come out behind them.
Which means that we're one step behind them. So they go to Maya Bay, we're coming to Maya Bay. They go to Pillay Lagoon, we're at Maya Bay.
Pillay Lagoon.
They go to Viking Cave, we're at Pillay Lagoon. Now you get the idea.
Oh, I see what you're doing then. You're being clever. I got confused a little bit. Okay.
So we're running one step behind them. The other way, the third way to avoid the crowds is we run what's called a reverse program.
Oh.
So they're going to come out and go to Maya Bay. And we're going to come out and go to Bamboo or go Phi Phi Don.
That's me doing reverse.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
So those are all the different ways that we can run a private tour to avoid the crowds. And that's one of the major reasons why we suggest private tours, because it allows you to experience Phi Phi as it should be experienced.
Absolutely.
Not under the waves.
What are the highlights to see in Phi Phi though,
So now let's talk about what we should see while we're out there.
Okay.
Okay. So now if Google or ChatGPT,
Hello,
I dropped that word,
ZYP,
are going to build a program for you, they're going to tell you, firstly, you should visit Maya Bay.
Maya Bay, Pile Lagoon, Viking Cave, Bamboo Island, Monkey Beach, lunch on Phi Phi Don, and then home. Or Kai Island, stop and then home.
All of these are great spots.
Oh, they really are.
They are must-see spots, and they should be part of your private tour.
Monkey Beach, I'm not.
I don't like monkeys either. But there are some other little hidden spots.
Yes.
For example, Wong Long Bay.
That's where Sean's favourite tree is. Which
I went to visit it the other day.
Did you not take a picture of you
I
in
got
front
to
of it?
wave at it.
But did you not take a picture of you by a tree?
No, because it's like a little bonsai tree going off the rocks.
Well, look, I'm not sure when this video is coming out, but I'm going to Phi Phi next week, so maybe I might track it down and find it.
Yes.
Okay.
So Wong Long Bay is a nice spot. Also, Camel Rock.
Yes.
Also known.
I like Camel Rock. It's not known as anything else apart from Camel Rock. You tried to say it looks like Groot. It doesn't look like Groot. It looks like it's a camel.
It's not really a camel. It's a rock that looks like a camel.
It's a rock camel.
Okay, Lot Leonard Bay. Lot Leonard Bay is beautiful snorkeling there.
Yes.
I was snorkeling there the other day.
Were you?
Yeah.
Oh, right. Okay.
Very beautiful.
Here, what about Shark Point?
Oh yeah, you could snorkel with the sharks. You love snorkeling with sharks.
Black tip reef sharks are amazing. They're really nice to snorkel with.
Yeah. So all of those becomes an option. What about if you want to have lunch at Phi Phi but not where all the boats are? So maybe something like Lem Tong Bay.
Yes.
Nice and quiet on Lem Tong Bay. It's got Mali seafood. I love Mali seafood. Zivola's a good spot there as well.
Zivola's very nice, I have to say.
Or if you like, you can go and do the entire Phi Phi tour and then go to a Michelin-rated, recommended floating restaurant.
Yes.
That would be an option.
Pear Crovet. I'm going there in a minute, in fact.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh, well. You're going to get something to eat?
No.
Oh, you're not allowed to eat today.
No, I went there yesterday, though, and I did have some fried rice and some tom yum goong, and I put the tom yum goong on my fried rice, so I had a mix of fried rice with tom yum goong.
Can I tell you, yesterday,
really good.
Yesterday I fasted all day because we had a staff meeting, and in the staff meeting we were all going to eat pizza, and they ate all the pizza before I finished work, so yesterday I didn't eat it all.
I wasn't invited to a staff meeting yesterday.
There's a reason.
Okay, good.
Okay, so that's, I suppose, the general nature of Phi Phi. What should Phi Phi look like? It should look like definitely Maya Bay, Pile Lagoon, a snorkel spot of 4 or 5 or 6, as much as you want to snorkel.
There's some great snorkeling there. This really is.
Some of the beaches, some of the hidden bays, I definitely recommend Wong Long Bay. I really, really, really like Camel Rock. I think it's a beautiful spot to just park the boat and kind of hang out. Now, how do you put that in an itinerary? You don't, but like maybe you've got some beers on board. Maybe you kind of want to listen to some tunes and just relax. Camel Rock's the place to go.
Hey, I saw some of the guides the other day were snorkeling in front of Viking Cave.
Yes.
I've never done that. Is that good?
That's where they're seeing the turtles at the moment.
Is that where they are?
Yeah.
Well, there you go. And you won't do that on a group tour, that's for sure.
And that's one of the things is that when you do book a private tour to Phi Phi, you are going to come here, you're going to meet your guide, and your guide's going to say,
"Hello, I'm Jay. Thanks for coming on the 5-Star Marine tour."
After they've done that, they're going to ask you, what are you looking for today? What would you like to experience for your tour? And they'll start to customize it.
Hi, I'm going to customize your tour.
Yeah. So that's why in your bookings with us, you get what we call sample itineraries. We used to never put itineraries in anything that we ever did because we felt it detracted from what we were trying to achieve as a company. But we do understand that you want an idea of what you could do.
Yep.
So the sample itinerary is an idea. But from there, it's on the day with the guide. If you say, I want to see Sean's tree, I want to go see Groot, I want to go to a quiet beach, I want
camel, not Groot.
Want to see sharks and possibly turtles.
Or
Build
what
me
about,
that
do you know what we haven't mentioned? Is the viewpoint.
Oh, Phi Phi viewpoint.
The Phi Phi viewpoint.
Yeah, Jay is going to go get some beautiful footage for you up there.
Yeah. Okay, looks like I'm going up a viewpoint soon. Look at the footage. There you go. That was my viewpoint.
How many steps was it?
It was a lot of steps. I don't know. I'll tell you.
Do you have footage of you walking up?
I have footage of me walking up. I'll put it in the description. I don't like you today, Sean. Thanks very much.
Did we miss anything?
Oh, probably.
Yeah.
But on your Phi Phi tour, you can also, like I said, you can combine it with a stop on the way back or the way there, Kai Islands, or even Mai Ton. See if there's any dolphins.
Rang.
Rang Island on the way back. I've been there.
Or if you want to do something romantic, Kopair, you know, the little sandbar where you can be quiet.
Absolutely. So there's lots of things you can add to it because it is quite a journey from here down to Phi Phi. It's about 45 minutes.
Yes.
And you can break it up if you want to with little stops as well, which is a nice thing to do. It really is. And that's the joys of having a private tour, that you can do that.
Yeah. So if you have any questions about your Phi Phi tour, you can drop them below in the comments. If you would like more information on our tours, Jay will tell you how.
Yes. Go to our website. All the W's, 5starmarinephuket.com. There you go. Sean's carefully put down his mic for a change. Please make sure you like and subscribe. And like Sean said, any questions, just put a comment below and we'll answer them. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Thailand's #1 national park. Come explore it. Thailand's #1 national park. Come explore it today with both Jay and I in this Phi Phi Islands overview video. Go again. Join Jay and I as we explore Thailand's #1 national park.
Can I just say that was take 3 for Sean to do that intro? See the effort he puts in 3 times. They call him 3 times Sean.
You ready?
No, we're leaving that in. Come on then, where are we going?